make money online in your comfort zone without stress, don't skip this video. This video is for you. Do you know you can make money online, stay rich, and never be broke? This update that I'm giving to you guys, you cannot find this update anywhere. Nobody is going to expose this, or nobody is going to tell you about this. I will be flipping my accounts. I'll be going for a financial journey where I'll be flipping my account from $20 to $200. If you know you are interested to see and know how I will be flipping my account from $20 to $200, press the like button, press the follow button, press the share button. And if you are interested to join me in making money online this year 2025, you don't have a problem. All you need is just a mobile phone, and that's all. You are good to go. Guys, let's get into the video so that you all will see